Gail Banks with Gail Banks Creates. Welcome to my channel. I want to thank all of my new and existing subscribers. I appreciate all your love and support. Guys, I'm on today to share my make into all year collab I've been participating in, which is called Crack the Vault. It's, like I said, an all year collab that's hosted by Poetspice. And it's for us to pull out things in our stash that we haven't used for 6 months or never used for 6 months or longer, so that way we can pull our stuff out, play with it, and not hoard it. We post on the third Friday of every month at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's a host of crafty ladies who are participating, and links to each one of their YouTube channels is below in my description box. And you can follow along with the hashtag crackthevault, or you can join in. Just use the hashtag crackthevault and show us what you have posted. So today I made some fall cards, but I pulled out this Simple Stories simple card kit called Harvest Wishes. I've had this, oh my God, I know I've had it more than 6 months. It may even be a year, but this is what it looks like. And I said, you know what? Let me pull out this kit and create some really simple, easy cards. And what the kit gives you, this is what you will find in the kit. These are like little punch outs. You get chipboard pieces, die cut bits, card bases, and step-by-step instructions. But the uh, envelopes aren't included, which is fine. I got all kind of envelopes in my stash. So let me share with you the two cards that I created from that kit. Here they are. I love a card kit, especially when you need a card that's really quick, because it has everything in it. The only thing I added was some of these diamond dots. Everything else came in the kit. So let me share with you the very first one I created. It says, "Happy Fall, y'all." I think it's really pretty. It came out really nice. And this is the inside. Now, you don't get anything in the kit to create anything for the inside. So what I did was I found some paper in my stash and cut it out and just took some 65-pound white cardstock so I can write a greeting in here, or even stamp a greeting. And I took my corner punch and rounded the corners. And that's just what the back looks like. And I love this card. I really do. Isn't that pretty? And here's the second one. It says Harvest Wishes. And like I said, the only thing I added out of my stash was the diamond dots and the paper on the inside. Like I said, all of this came in the card kit. And that's what it looks like on the inside. So I really like it. I think they came out wonderful. Using a card kit is a quick and easy way to get a card created quickly, but it gives beautiful, beautiful results. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Why don't you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to be notified of new video uploads. Leave a comment below. I will respond to my comments. Guys, 2024 is almost in the books. We only have one more Crack the Vault for the third Friday, which will be in December, our last one for 2024. But I do believe Poet is going to extend it into 2025. I want you guys to continue to take care of one another, continue to be safe, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.